Hi guys, welcome back to Testing Real-Time Project Trainings by Govind. In this training, we will provide real-time testing project trainings with hands-on knowledge in Agile way of working. We will discuss about real-time test scenarios and how to implement in our projects. Please join 3 days free demo sessions. In this training, we will demonstrate complete manual testing using web-based application and all the testing concepts and unit testing like system testing, integration testing, system integration testing, interface testing, UAT testing, software testing lifecycle, agile way of working, and Microfocus ALM for test managing purpose management. Okay, ALM is nothing but test management and defect tracking tool. Okay, in ALM there are different kind of modules. One is the admin module and quality center release management and requirement traceability and requirements, test plan, test lab, defect tracking and reporting in ALM, and how to export requirements and test cases from Excel to ALM. So this is the few sample examples for ALM application. So release management and requirements. So this is the test plan. Here test cases, and the right side window test case execution in test lab. Here application lifecycle dashboard. So here we can able to generate in the graphs. And third one, the real-time project work. So in this work project, right, we will assign, first of all we will discuss about the how to get the requirements and how to get the change requests and how to preparing the project release plan, explain about STLC testing life cycle, and explain about how to design test scenarios, and explain about how to design the test cases, and to prepare the defect logs and defect life cycle for the project. And this is the one example for the Sugar CRM. So we will demonstrate during the project training. So end to end. So how to write test cases for CRM and how to get the requirements from the business. We will discuss complete this application with hands-on and continue real-time project work on daily basis. So here we will discuss getting the requirements from the business, assigning the daily tasks, test case development or Sugar CRM project, test case execution from ALM, and posting the daily defects in ALM, how to prepare the daily status reports and how to status like weekly status reports and daily discussions on issues. And coming to our services, resume preparation, discussion about the resume and the projects, individual resumes and projects, and project support, training materials, complete job oriented training with hands-on knowledge in the project, getting 100% job within 3 to 6 months time. And coming to discussions about the project like interview questions and answers, discussion about requirements, discussion about the test cases, discussion about the scenarios, complete job oriented training with hands-on knowledge in the projects. And in this training we will discuss about Jira and Kanban in Agile way of working. So explain about Jira, explain about Kanban board, discussion about Agile way of working. Other services we will provide like SAP Automation Testing, SAP Manual Testing, Microfocus ALM, ALM plus UFT for SAP applications, hands-on real-time projects, project support. Please join 3 days free demo sessions. We look forward to working together to better opportunities in the real world. Thank you. We are looking forward to work together by Govind. Please contact if you are interested. Free demos. Thank you very much. Bye.